already talked about how to handle injuries when it comes to your students, but how do you deal with your own injuries? First, there's the physical part, the physical pain, the physical part of the injury. With that, you just work around it. Now, Pilates is not physical therapy, but it can be used as part of a physical therapy program. The goal is to not cause further injury while still strengthening the muscles around the injury so that you can prevent future injuries while letting the injury heal. It's also good to keep the body moving when you're injured. Now, within reason, you don't want to, again, cause further injury, but keeping the circulation going helps the body heal faster. So the more active that you can be, again, within reason, to not further the injury, but just to keep your body moving, to keep the blood flowing, helps the body heal. The second aspect is the mental part. And this is sometimes the more difficult part of an injury to deal with, especially if you're a Pilates teacher. Most people don't like to feel weak or injured or whatever adjective you want to use. But the truth is that when you're injured, it actually gives you an opportunity to take a step back, to take a breath, to reevaluate what you've been doing, to take care of your body. All of these positive things can come out of an injury. Not to say that you should try to get injured, but there is a silver lining when you are dealing with an injury. There are benefits to slowing down, to really taking a look at proper form and alignment, to take a break. These aren't bad things. Having an injury doesn't mean that you've failed or that you're not a perfect being. None of us are perfect. We're not machines. We're humans. We get injured sometimes. It happens to all of us. Let it go. Take the break, listen to your body, and let it heal. Workouts will always be there. There's no need to risk permanent injury just to get through a Pilates class. Pilates will be there. Take care of your body. Listen to your body. If it's asking for a break, give it a break.